Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about myheritage.com platform. You should use this platform to know your DNA roots. You should use this platform or not, and what are the major red flags? Why you should not use this platform? What is the main problem of this platform? So basically the main use of this you can say platform is like you can enable any DNA testing kit, and you know your roots, where you basically belongs to, where your you can say fathers and fathers, where they belongs. Okay, they are going to provide you some information related to your DNA. Okay, which main region you belongs to. Okay, so I would like to ask you one question. What if you know really where you belongs to? Is there any change in your life? Is there any benefit? No, there is no benefit. There is no, you can say like this is a useless thing. Okay, now let's talk about the second thing, that is like what is the main problem. So you can see the product, or you can say like the service is available on Trustpilot, and you can see like they have good reviews on Trustpilot, like 77,000 reviews is available on Trustpilot. And you can see over here there are 18% negative reviews, and all negative reviews is complaining about subscription related problem. When you use their service, if you by mistake you subscribe their service, if you get premium membership, you have to pay lots of fees, and you are going to face lots of issues related to cancellation your services and all. Okay, it's not easy to cancel your service. You have to pay lots of fees. Once you pay your subscription fee, all fees are non-refundable. Okay, and you are going to face lots of issues related to cancellation of subscription and all. So my dear friends, I would like to request you, if you really want to use their services, please don't try to take any subscription by mistake. If you taken any subscription, you are going to face lots of financial issues. Okay, so this is the only you can say like problem of this platform, subscription. And the customer support is also very difficult. You are not going to get customer support very easily. So these are the two basic main problems of my heritage. And now if you have any experience with this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box, because your comment is a real review. Okay, and your comment is a real experience. So please share your contribution. What is the main problem maybe you will face, maybe you have faced. So please share your experience in our comment section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye, take care.